In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Gemini to Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Gemini home screen and navigate down to the bottom left corner to open the main menu. From the sidebar options, I click on Personal Intelligence. Once the Personal Intelligence page loads, I find the Connected Apps option and click the arrow to open the app settings. On the Connected Apps page, I see various Google services, so I scroll down to the Other section to view third-party integrations. Here, I locate Canva and toggle the switch to the on position. A confirmation window appears asking to connect Canva and detailing the necessary access permissions. I click the Connect button in the bottom right corner. Next, a Google window pops up regarding linking the account across devices. I scroll down through the terms and privacy details, and then I click Agree and Continue. A new login window opens to authenticate my Canva account. I select Continue with Google, choose my Google account from the list, and then click Continue. Now, the Canva AI connector requests permission to access my account to create and manage designs. I scroll down through the list of permissions and click Allow. The authorization succeeds, the pop-up closes, and the Canva toggle is now officially enabled. To test out the connection, I click on the prompt suggestion to generate an Instagram story for a weekend barbecue party, and then I press the Submit button to send the request. Gemini prompts me for permission to use the Generate Design tool from Canva, so I click Allow. Gemini now connects directly to Canva in the background and works on generating custom design options based on the prompt. Once the generation is complete, Gemini delivers multiple vibrant, barbecue-themed Instagram story templates. I can scroll through the candidate designs to inspect the different layouts and choose the one I like best to open and edit in Canva. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to connect Gemini to Canva.